Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. I'm sorry, but as of my last knowledge update in January 2022, I don't have specific information about a Python Notes PDF by Durga Sir. However, I can help you create a general tutorial on creating PDFs in Python and organizing notes using Python. If you have specific information about Durga Sir's Python Notes PDF or any other requests, feel free to provide more details. Let's create a tutorial on creating PDFs in Python using the popular library PyPDF2, and organizing notes. Note that you might need to adapt this based on the actual content and structure of Durga Sir's notes. Create a Python script to generate a PDF document for organizing notes. Import necessary libraries. Create a PDF document. Add content to the PDF. Save the PDF. Save the script with a .py extension and run it using the command. This script will generate a PDF file named python_notes.pdf with the specified chapter titles and content. Remember, this is a basic example, and you might need to adapt it based on the actual structure and content of Durga Sir's notes. If his notes are already in PDF format, you might want to extract information using PyPDF2 or similar libraries. ChatGPT. As an AI language model, I don't have direct access to specific external resources such as Durga Sir's Python notes in PDF format. However, I can guide you through creating a Python script to generate PDF notes, which you can adapt and incorporate your own content or learning materials based on Durga Sir's teachings or any other Python-related content. For this tutorial, I'll use the Report Lab library in Python, which allows generating PDFs programmatically. First, make sure you have Report Lab installed. You can install it using pip if you haven't already. Here's an example script that demonstrates how to create a simple PDF document using Report Lab. This script generates a PDF file named your_python_notes.pdf in the same directory where the script is located. You can modify the file name and path to suit your needs. Remember, this is a basic example. You can further enhance the script by adding headers, sections, tables, images, or any other formatting needed for comprehensive notes. Please ensure you comply with any copyright or usage terms related to the content you're incorporating into your notes. ChatGPT.